Today I am going to show you the Coca-Cola versus Mentos. You can have any type of soda. I have soda water and Coke and Mentos. First I am going to open my mini Coke bottle and put some Mentos inside. Let the experiment begin. Cool! Look at that! Whoa, it's like a volcano! Volcano that just erupted. Now I'm gonna do my big bottles. I did 3 for the small ones. I'm gonna try 5 on the big ones. 5 or 6. I put 3 into the small ones. I'm gonna try 6 on the big ones. I think it's gonna be a big explosion. I'm gonna stand back a bit. Oh my god, that was giant. Did you see that? Okay, now I'm gonna try the soda water. Done. You guys should try this at home. It is very fun. Oh, that was cool. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure to like and subscribe.